Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
This beautiful clock from CLXEAST is the highlight of my living room. It's a beautiful conversation piece, and its elegant design gives my whole living room an upgrade. I can't tell you enough about how beautiful and intricate the moving gears are. I love the dark wood and the silver and gold highlights. This clock came very nicely packaged and it fits snugly in the styrofoam. It was easy to remove. Then I simply put 3 batteries in the back, set the clock to the correct time, and it was ready to hang on the wall. This clock does have some weight to it, so I recommend that you use a stud finder or a molly to hang it. But the weight of it just adds the feel that it's a durable and beautiful clock, and it's going to last me for years to come. Another thing that I absolutely love about this clock is that it is completely silent. The clock that I had hanging up before was kind of noisy and you could hear every little click, 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 but not this one. I have this hanging in my living room right now, but I'm not sure if that's its forever home yet. This clock would look beautiful in a bedroom, an office, a dining room, or any other room that you want to add a little beauty to. So if you're ready to give your living room or any room an upgrade with a little elegance and beauty, then this clock from CLXEAST is for you.
And that's my point of view.